What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kira TV and welcome to another movie. I know I said it already and I did this in the descriptions and so, but I want to hear it from me. Happy New Year to everybody. Stay safe out there. Before we jump in the movie, please do remember to go over to Kira's Fashion and shop now. We have clothing, wall stickers, may have earpods case 1000, may have phone cases, iPhone case 1000, Samsung case 800. So just go over there, the Instagram page. The link for the Instagram page will be down in the description box below. And also, we have a new channel, RJ's Vlog. Want to go over there, we're going to show you what we do when we're not shooting. So we'll just go over there, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. The link will be down in the description box below. One more thing before we go, remember that we are still trying to raise up some more donation for Russian's mom's surgery. We already have 100,000, but we shot a lot more. So anybody want to donate, these numbers are gonna be on the screen and also down in the description box below. Big up on yourself. Please do enjoy the movie. Stay safe out there and Happy New Year again. Morning.
Morning.
I'm not working now. What you want to yeah, then I look my work, then I watch send out some resume as application.
It's on my look here.
Yeah, not work. Me have some department what we eat out of our last night and they pay then they wash in our kitchen. So me I also just wash them up for my please. Evening Russian. We're going. So what more are David? What about you?
I'm just come get a check. I'm don't know nobody don't me alone, so I come get a check.
So what going for your work? What going for your work? When I get on your head?
I look on her and I'm supposed to get one call and I go and wait. I look on her. Send a couple resume good. I'm supposed to get a couple calls well.
Alright, so like you know work and you help with Ross around the house?
Yeah man, me help her out on the place, me sweep up the place and everything and she come back you know do nothing. Me help her.
Make sure you help her because you kinda straining upon her if she had work and do something. So make sure you help her out now.
Yeah man, I help her out.
Alright.
So I walk down the road, that's all.
Yeah,
You check your one next time.
Alright. Come on.
That's what I just come in though. That comes up the road.
Oh, why man?
Yeah.
Why? I come to talk to you about color cards. From whom me dead, I don't know, him just... From whom me dead, he come like say the dark cars are dead, or say licking head or something, but he not do nothing in the house, he not help me clean the house, he not even at work. Right now I need help to pay bills and rent because my workplace kind of drop the price up here, and he not do nothing to help me. I can't bother with him. Yesterday me and him have a big argument when I left I go work. Tell so when I come back, just tidy up the place for me. When I come back the place stand is here we and this evening I say, mother come. Or I don't even know if it's
You know, so he come to me though. He come to me now and me ask him if he help out in the house and he say yes and he ask me if I look work. So, you don't understand.
so when you say when you ask me if I look work?
You know say I look work?
In told, listen what me say. In told them like, he not look no work, all him a do a stand and when me a talk to him I say if you go look work, him a talk when I work busy and I want to work with people and rate. Look which work. And then come and say they come look for you and you have a place up there for tidy up and me have to left work tired to tidy up a place. I don't know if you can just give him a talk for me or something because right now I can't bother with nobody, it's just me and I'm a big man. And I like say my baby and me I feel like me a grow so like I'm a little brother and me I feel tell him to do it. I'm a big man, I don't have to tell him to do things, he can know to do things for his own.
It's stress thing now work out, you know. You might say just stress yourself over him, you know. Just stress yourself. You talk to him and I see him again here.
Alright then, that would be nice.
You do.
Alright, so that would have been nice. So me I come go and go probably something up there to do time I don't know. So we link you at one day at a time because I'm tired.
Alright,
See you later for another time.
alright, take it easy here.
Alright.
Yeah, I shot me up by the little something, but you want to see, you know. Gotta come and check. You can go check me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you gotta come check me.
So I'm for the wait till you come back.
No, sir, I want to talk to you right now. It's urgent. I have to talk to you right now. You don't talk to you, I can go shop after. Come here, sir. Come here, sir.
Yes, I know.
You know, so if you talk to you for a day about help out your sister,
Yeah.
because she do her work and something and she have to do all something and I tell you to help her out like how you know do no work now.
You want me help her most of the time, I help her coming out, you know.
You know, so she complain to me for one day and say you know help her out and she's stressed and something and she have to something and do and something and it stress her out.
Oh man, I'm not stressed out, man. I'm not help her. I don't send me along to look at work too if it's help her with the rent and everything.
No, sir. She tell me say you know help her and you know look no work and you say I look work.
I look work, but it's hard. I don't get nothing yet. I still I try hold on and wait for some call.
She keep on a complain to me and say I stress her out and I help her with no work. But you tell me say I help her and you still she come to me and tell me say you not help her. You know do nothing. She say you not do nothing in the house. And she stressed and she tired.
I don't look at her, but through more money to go get some resume and sign up. I go ask her. Since this seminar, I go ask her for money to get some resume, print and send out some more.
Alright, make sure you say help her you know, and send out the application and make her send to 2 and 3 places. I've sent them to only per place that I get through, we get one call.
Yeah.
Alright, I just that me the one talk to you about.
Alright, you got shot.
Yeah, man,
give me money.
You do what?
I'm going to print your application and resume today.
You're sure that you're going to do the money?
Yeah, that's $1,000. Yeah, we give me down to that.
That alone, me have a thanks very nice.
Thanks. Yes, that's it. Call be there, call. The money must got her. Yo, there man. The rose him there. The morning look at work. What name sir? Darling, oh then Dale. You can use for any phone or local phone.
I forget one bang man. You know, you can use the touch screen with that. I would have text now, I would have you know.
Oh. I see I can try out. I may get the phone and the credit and then I call you back.
It's a party, man.
Alright. Phone and bang. I'll get that. So $1,000 I'll put it on.
You've been here for you, man.
Yeah, me there before also.
Can you come?
Okay.
Can you come?
Yeah, man, come on.
You've been again.
Oh, I'm gonna know.
What's your name? You know what I say? So I go on better, you know. Ask me for money. Go drop off resume application this morning. So I'm going to do that. Shirt, me see my hand and so you might go on better. Look like say you finally find him and chat to him.
Yeah, man, we talk to him, man. See my pastor, I talk to him and tell him, say, I have to help you out. And can't make you alone do all of the work. I have to help you out on something, so. I talk to him, man.
Well, I'm glad to you give me a talk because, see, me did not talk to him and I tell him saying he can't stay around so I'm not working and he don't listen to me, but as you telling me, I listen to you. Well, I'm glad to you give me a talk to him and he said, he might go look work, so hopefully that thing go do for you and a foolish thing go do with the money. So, why, I'm not telling a lie, Mistress Phillips, it's hard for me with him. I'm my brother and me have to treat him like say him a baby, me have to tell him say to do this and that and he do say nothing to him. It's either him vex and cuss me out or something. So well I don't know. From the moment then everything just changed. And she doesn't know what I don't know what to say.
Give him a talk, man. Everything's so alright. Talk to him, man. So you don't have to stress no more. Everything's so alright now, man.
Alright, so me I come grow and you know if I make a finish tidy up the place so little bit.
Yeah, alright.
Hello, evening.
Huh?
Well, evening, I said I'm on a resume today.
I said about 6 of them or something.
6 pack food, but yeah, congrats, man.
I'm tired, I'm going to sleep.
Congrats, I'm proud of you. You do something good for the first in your life. Good that are first steps. You know, next step is get work and work now, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so do you do hope you get some call. Good luck on that. May I go bed.
I'm going to lie down back.
Morning. May I go right now? Yes, sir.
Hold on.
I did it hold on. I talk fast and late. I'm out.
Okay. We can ask you for money to buy something.
Okay, that's something you want me to
That's
buy.
$3,000. You're not for it, but it's 3,000.
Are we want to buy stuff for $3,000?
No, don't worry about that, man. That's $3,000. You can't give me?
May I get paid today? When time I get paid, I come back, we get that evening.
Alright, man, I lie down a little bit.
Yeah, that's how I like it.
Oh, boy. Can't get on, bro. Yo, my bro.
I'm going now.
So day I go and get the money. I get the money to get the phone and the chip.
I think I call me, I say check the line and
No, mommy must have been a no game still. You have to show me a rope.
It's not hard, brother. I want to cheat them. You have to learn how to chat proper English, though. You know?
We're not getting another part yet, so we go get your phone tomorrow and the chip.
Yeah.
What kind of chip is just said?
You preferably can get one old chip, old eye chip, better for you.
Oh, so, alright. Me check your back tomorrow then.
Do you cry?
I get it. See, we can't get up.
Evelyn, one morning you sleep, I'm left up till now. Evelyn, see something here. See me want me get in her paper from the workplace.
Ah.
Me I wake you up long time. She's something here. She like come get your workplace and something get in her paper. Me like you clean up the place and something do. So you don't get no call for no interview yet.
Yeah, you know, so me get call though. Me get 2 calls, but me I go one tomorrow. When I get through that one day, we can go in the next one, hopefully.
Well, that no sound
But
bad.
I go want fear if we go. Lunch money, man. Lunch money, I feel, yeah.
Alright, so that good to get one call. I'm happy for you. So in the morning, I give you money. The lunch money and the fare. So be a go on.
Alright, alright.
Morning, when you say you have interview, why you not make it? You think that? Why you close them here? We're up on go bed. Why you close them here? We're going to earn him here. Oh, you're a joker. You think you're a joker?
Now we'll be.
Yeah, my work to go. Yeah. Why you get to the work here? People tongues.
Bro. Yeah. Me tell you, me get a chip, you know. Yeah, did sell chip and me get a phone. So code. Alright, so just dial that also. Right there. Mega Million. Oh. Alright, so I'll try you out and let me show it back. Alright. Yes, hello? Yes, this is Michael Garden from the Mega Millions Dollar Company. No, this Mega Million Dollar Company. Yes. And no, you have won something here today. You have won $1.5 million here today. Yes. So what you need to do to receive your prize here today, you need to get... Yeah. No, it's not a scam. You just have to pay a small fee to receive your prize. It's like 3,000 US. That's no problem? Okay. Um, I'm gonna call you back in 1 minute, okay? I'm gonna start out some paperwork. Yes. Alright. My friend. Yes. Yo, man, say, you say we send him money and I get somebody. One first call, huh? Our hard code. So, they say we send 3,000 US. But how may I get it? Oh, Western Union. Alright, Western. Alright, so I'll line up that. Alright. Chopper. Yes, hello. No. It's just a small paperwork I have to sort out. So ready, I'm going to give you information for you to send to Western Union. No, it's not a scam. It's just how the company receive money. Yes. Okay, let's get yourself a paper and a pen. Yes. Alright, I'll wait. force money in. Yes. So you're gonna have down James Milton. Yes. The address is 6th Avenue, Barrington Road. Yes. Or it's the same number. It's company number. Everything is company number. Yes. So we'll call you back in 15 minutes and you send me the tracking number and everything. Alright? Okay. This number is worthy.
To go finally get work. This morning he asked me if I iron one shirt and one pants for him. And he gone, dress up on him bed, and he get up early on him bed and he gone. Like he really interested.
Well, thank God him get through. Me talk to you and go in vain.
Me thank God for true, cause me alone couldn't manage the pressure. So at least now me want to look back up. Is either me pay rent and pay for bills and buy grocery or vice versa. You know, 50-50 everything can work out now. So the pressure alone can't depend on me. So I'm glad to see him push out and he might do better now. I'm really glad to see you talk to him too, cause see, he work.
Well, that's true. So, what going for you? You talk about Toga, what going for you? What do with yourself?
Boy, I'm just there try make it through life, you know, cause boy, when time you forget fight in a life, you know, I get in a one little 20%, 100% over 100. So I just go and fight the fight and pray to God and see if we can make it through, cause the pressure is real. I mean, sometimes I can't manage it, but you know, make the sense I stress myself and I worry, but I'm just praying and leave it to God. God will help me out through everything, cause to how things are going right now, I even feel like I can't manage. Just if you try it all, but I just go and keep your faith see away. Do what I do. Plus, this is work around me, I don't really enjoy, but now no better, I have to just stay in it. Because every day, I do have clothes, I realize that if I see me change the top, I change the bottom, I have to wear the same top. Nah, nothing. Through me, I have to pay rent this, that, I can't buy myself no, nothing too tough, but I thank God till way I have a life and I breathe. That I only thing that matter I can't afford. So that's all. So what going for you? You alright?
Yeah man, me there, I'm not going easy. But me glad say you're stress free you know man. Stress yourself, Toga get to work and at least you get more help and something in the house and something. God say you get through the work man. God, and you're stress free and I'm stressed no more about nothing more. Right?
Yeah man.
Alright.
Alright, anyways, I'm glad to hear that. So I can go and go see if I can go cook something because since in the day, nothing can come back. I don't know if he can come back yet. So I go check if he can come back, then we cook. I want him with him love him belly. Now tidy up your house, but he may cook your food. So later.
Yeah man, alright.
He call you also.
Yeah man.
Wait. Oh, we have to back here so early.
You know what I said? I start work tomorrow, so I just not come home early. So I get to go in early tomorrow.
Oh, alright, that's one good then. So that means that tomorrow you can start. Alright, so I'm glad to get through. I'm going to grow now.
Alright.
Alright. So, you have 2 weeks to work on all that. You have to take a come again because I must have money now where you can help to pay rent in a house or buy food or something. If you have to pay rent, you do that and me buy food. Or the bills and me buy food. And me pay bills and rent and you buy food.
Money I have, I can give you right now because I save too hard to get my own place and go and do my own thing right now, so I can't get no money.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. So me if you continue pay the rent and the bills, everything left for me while you are saving your money. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
So I'm to when me stop pay rent and the bills. I'm
there.
Alright, have you one way of foolish is that now? Imagine you're there all long, so 6 months you're there for now you finally get work, you want to say you can't pay rent and bills because you ask you to do your own thing. Alright.
You just not understand. Yes, hello? You're speaking with Mr. James Webster from the Mega Million Dollar Company, okay? No, you have won something here today. You've won $2.5 million here today. Yes. And no, you have won a car. The newest, latest Mercedes-Benz. Yes. So, what have happened here, you need a fee, you have to pay a fee in order to get your prize, okay? Alright, so just get yourself, no, the fee is just 3,000. Yes. No, it's not a scam, it's just our company policy. Yes, just get the paper and pen so I could provide you with the information so that you could pay your fee and you receive your prize today. Yes. Okay. I'll hold. Yes. Okay, so you're gonna have down, first thing you're gonna have down is the name, which is you're gonna send the money in, okay? The name is James Milton, okay? James Milton. Alright. Secondly, you're gonna have down the address, which is 6th Avenue, Barrington Road, okay? 6th Avenue, Barrington Road. Yes, it's the same number. Okay, so just go and pay your fee. I'll be waiting on your call, alright? Okay, and remember, don't tell anyone about your money, your prize, alright? Okay. Bye for now.
Oh God, why did we have you? And Kevin nephew sent me really good announcement to the number, but I get paid today. Oh God, people don't try to get paid.
No man, we get paid, man.
How comes on a Friday?
Mirror, then kind of switch up this week. I get paid Friday, and this week I get paid Wednesday. Then switch up every week.
Oh, so you help Roxanne pay the bills them or something?
Yeah, man, I help her out.
Alright, that's nice. Good for you. Yeah, help her out.
This is I share alone, I do everything, and so you just push out and get work. I know me I help her out. I know I can build a little place myself too. In the process if it's possible. Because I make a good money for me work.
Alright, my nephew. Good job.
Yeah.
Like where you are going with. I mean, like where you do.
Yeah.
Keep up your good work here.
Alright.
Alright.
You. Yeah, where you live? I want to run a man up there. I want somebody to cook like a food for me in there. Yeah. I'll make sure you do now. I send the information. Yeah. I see I heard. Yeah, man. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Roxanne. Yeah, let's dash myself. 2 weeks now, I'm not see you.
Boy, sorry about that man. Me know say me no call look for you and whatever, but you know say me always we stop when me a come for work at evening time. But work they get so busy, me I tell you. Work get busy me could hardly when me come home and I evening again at night, so me could stop. But sorry about that anyway, so what go on because me you know.
You know, so me there go and easy, you know, to talk think some money can give me this man, you know, but I don't think I work in my work, you know, because people don't get paid on Friday, so come to me and give me money Wednesday. You understand that?
And this morning me and him have one talk, you know. And I tell him say him have to start help out at appearing and buy groceries or something. And him a tell me say him a save up him money for building his own place and so he can buy furniture and something them so he can't pay no rent and nothing. If I don't help me, I help me want to know as in my work, I want money and what if he never did that work. And he carry money come give you. You know say something wrong with that boy there?
Yeah. So I never give me my money, what happened?
You know? I think say three my work now that easier for me, you know, because either him would do give me some money say put towards something or him buy groceries and me just pay bills or him pay bills and me buy food. Me I say alright now things easy and me can save one little money and do what me want to do for myself. Pipe want fix me I feel call me I feel pay for him at work every morning get up in garden him at work. But I mean I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say at all.
So you know tell me what kind of work him do? When he left a man in time or when he come back or what?
You know, tell me say I can't send time I work, you know. I don't know because and I want when me I work and I don't see none there. And I'm more I want there still, but I don't know if they say I work for you or what, but I just know saying get up every morning and put on clothes and in gone. You don't know when gone, I don't know if I work, I don't know where I when get myself, you know where I do. But all I do, make sure it's nothing bad. Because I come in after my house and then next thing going a bad involvement and people come do me. That's all I want to know.
Why? You know, so that boy is easy though. You know, easy, you know. Boy tell me say he get work. So I wonder what kind of work he do. And then he carry money come give me and you want to see for money and he not give you? And your sister?
Why me don't know what to say? I found home still, so later.
Alright, look a bit.
Evening.
Even.
I don't understand. How? This morning me ask you for money for help. Is either you go buy a grocery and me pay bills or you pay bills and buy grocery. And you tell me say
Listen to me. Bad the argument.
listen what me I say. Just listen what me I say. Because that unfair way I do. Listen what me I say, because that this unfair. You go over Auntie Shanna and give her money, she say. And she tell me about it and I start down there. And I ask you this morning if it contribute to things in the house and you can't and you not give me no money for what?
Listen, remember some tell us that me and my business them for deal with you. I'm just go up there and get her like a change. And then I'm big. Eh? But give her a little change. Cause she encouraged me to go say, yo, look at her. And I give her money and I'm not big.
Alright, it's alright. It's alright, yeah.
Listen now. You see now? You have to go look for your own thing. You buy your own grocery, and me buy my own grocery. Say it alright.
Oh, okay. So, when the dust come, I tell us if you want to grocery, if you want to help, no, I'm going to help you out and I'm going to wait until I get something. 2 weeks, so you're working must have one. Alright, it's alright. It's okay, it's okay. You know, when I go say I love money, so but it's alright. I'm grateful. Morning. You know what I say? After I left yesterday, I'm going to go to that. Through I go yesterday, after I left, I go ask him how he give you money. You say he give you money and he can give me, help me out with rent. Cost me out all my long money so much. One bag of argument last night, you know. I left, gone per road. I know he not come back. This man make up, me not see him. That's why I come and say me ask you if he done there, but he don't look like him there.
Really? He just left and gone, so? He really cuss you out?
Yeah. Just gone 12 o'clock in the night. This man wake up things, I mother see him, me not see him.
I'm worried.
I
I'm
set
really
up
a
and
deal.
wait to see him come, kind of not keep you out, and me alone have key because I want key again.
No problem, so.
I come to work, I'm kind of late because, you know what I say, because, you know in a sense, me as a sister, I show him say I love man, care for him, and I try to make it better for him or something, and he make it look like say, everything when me say, bad something, so I always argument and I always vex him, and we are sister and brother, so, I don't know, I go to work later.
Alright. Nice boy.
Oh, yeah.
Sis. Yes. Auntie.
How going to live you? How going to feel? Oh, Roxana tell me say you left last night and go and you don't come back. What happened? Where you go?
I go up on the road because I can't bother with the argument or even tell me. I'm just go up on the road and I go on a party and come back.
So where you not have? She say you cuss her out and you just left so.
And she want to me give her money, I'm not give her no money, she come and call, or make argument over it. So I get upset and cuss and go.
So how you at work? And not give her the money for help with the grocery or something.
I don't have to give her money, I buy my own grocery and she buy her own them. And that she realize I buy my own them put down. She have to buy her own them put down with fair money. I don't give her my money.
But you can't work so. When she at work, she buy food and she don't put up in her room. She share with you.
I never did work, I work now. So that's why she used to buy for her own something them now and I buy my own thing because I don't give her no money.
No man, you can't work so. You have to do better, you have to help her out. So what you gonna do?
I give her money when I get paid again. Because I can't bother with the argument, I no more left for her room. Because I can't agree.
So how you gonna go in the house now?
I know I'm not even know because like she locked me out. So I go and still person. See if she come from her work and go down there.
So when you can't expect her to leave her house open. Her work she going to work she go so she can't leave the door open. You know, she know say you left last night, you come and you just left and gone, she don't know where you're gone so she can't leave the door open.
Well, she could have put the key on the doormat or something out the door. So I come in. I'm go and wait till she come. I'm going to sleep.
Alright, me know so.
Alright. Auntie, you know, go down here now, 5 o'clock now, so she must come from her work, so I'll check if she come.
Alright, later.
Alright.
I want the backside of the bed from last night all 12 o'clock time. I can't see it up and look up here. This morning I wake up now you. You need to do better, you know.
Oh no. You lock me out and something and it just make me feel like I'm going to do better with myself. Because I stress you out and you know hurt you. When I say boy rent all then something they wrong. Because you been a parent when I not work and I just start work and I just have to say I not pay, help you pay no rent so I go change. I'm sorry.
I let me lock you out, you know. I realize you left your key. And then I take up it because I never want to lock up the key in the house and left the key in the house. I take up it, lock it door and I go work it in the day where you want me to left to play something.
Oh, I never know. You think I like to lock me out?
Come for the cute. Be there look for you before I go work and me come in and how what me window them and sitting. And me look me see key in the door and me take you out. They need to do better for you, man. So we tell the people them me cannot come and work today. Okay, just start work and you know go already from the boy you gone to party last night or me talk to you about it last night. You say about kiss your teeth and boy you can do what you want to do. You think you would have come back? We tell the people them me cannot come and work today.
I tell them say me not feel well, so they say me if come tomorrow.
And they never have a problem with it?
No. So me go bed. I want to show up my clothes them so I can go tomorrow.
Alright, do that then and me come on and me make sure that me iron your shirt and something for you step out early.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Morning. You ready early too?
Yeah.
Alright then, so. You write the letter? You get the letter? So they will go out and say, no, if you're going to go to a doctor or whatever, PSA.
They not worry about it.
Alright then, so. Get up.
Alright.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, drop your best comments. Let we know your opinion and what you think or what you can change or whatever. Even if you didn't like it, you can still comment and let me know say you like it and it was nice and whatever. Before we go, again, remember, subscribe to my post notification bell if you are new. And to everybody who there a long time, thanks for the support. Please to continue to support us. We really do appreciate it. Remember, if you want to donate, the link, the number will be down in the description box below and also on the screen. And remember, Kira's Fashion, just go over there, go shop anything you want, and just go over there, inbox me. We'll talk then. Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.